What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will share some information on how to create a vlog or on how to create your own YouTube channel. But I know I'm not an expert with this, but I will just share my knowledge for you guys. Hello there from the other side. It's now time to create your YouTube channel. Creating a channel is very easy to do and will not cost you anything. If you have ever subscribed to another blogger's channel or written a comment under a video, you probably already have one. Every user has the opportunity to upload videos, so every username is attached to a channel. But don't worry guys, if you don't have one, all you need to do is to sign up for a Gmail account. Just go to google.com, click create an account, and verify your email. Vlogging or video blogging is a YouTube mainstay nowadays. People simply use the platform to create video diaries for friends or family members or to everyone. The beauty of YouTube is that anyone can get started. Whether you're someone who simply wants to share their life with others or a business owner wanting to engage with your audience on a more personal level. So YouTube is a perfect place to do so. Well, it may seem simple, but establishing your channel and growing an audience takes time and a lot of dedication. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to give you the tools and know how to launch your vlog and start gaining your subscribers. When you launch your channel, you can stand on the shoulders of giants. I mean, a lot of popular vloggers. So why not take a bit of inspiration from them? Look at all your favorite vloggers and check out some popular channels, because nowadays there's a lot of popular vloggers that have some millions and millions of subscribers. So make them as your inspiration. The goal of gaining inspiration is not to become a clone copy or of another YouTuber, because viewers are looking for originality. They want a new take on the things they love. They want new videos every day. But that doesn't mean that you have to come up with an idea that has never seen before. You just need to add your own personal touch that helps you stand out. Take some time to see what the platform has to offer and work from there. You can also make a short video intro of your channel or a channel trailer, but you don't have to do that right away. But it's something to consider. Now the next step is to create your own video. It's a common misconception that you have to spend a lot of money on a high-end video camera, because yes, many successful YouTubers indeed use gear that rivals what professional filmmakers have. However, they did not start it off that way. With today's technology, you can create some great videos with your smartphone, because modern mobile devices are capable of shooting up to 4K video quality, and most viewers are only going to be watching 1080p or a lower resolution. So that device in your pocket should do just fine. Alternatively, you can go with DSLR, mirrorless camera, or dedicated camcorder. It's also good to go with a model that has a reversible screen that you can use as a monitor, though it's not completely necessary. Just don't spend a lot of money yet to upgrade your gear to the very best. As long as you have your equipment records high resolution video, you should be good to go. Now it's time to edit your video. Video editing is one of the most important parts of creating a good video. You don't have to come up with a groundbreaking editing style to be successful, but you need to make sure that things are clean and professional looking. There are a ton of video editing software options available on the market. While you can go all out and invest in a Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro, like what I'm using right now, is Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also get a free apps on your Windows or Mac. You can even get away with using Windows Movie Maker or iMovie on your Mac to make a simple cuts. There are even some great apps for iPhone and Android phone that you can take advantage of, like Filmora, Action Director, and a lot more. During your edits, you should focus on making the video look as good as possible. You can cut out any awkward silences and compile clips into one story. You can also implement graphics, perform a color correction, and a balanced audio. How much editing you choose to do is entirely up to you. But if you are not really knowledgeable in editing, you can always use Google or YouTube because there's a lot of video tutorial on how to edit a video. Yeah, Google and YouTube is your best friend. Now if you're done editing your video, it's now time to upload your video on YouTube. Uploading a new video to your channel is pretty simple, though it may take some time depending on resolution and overall file size, and of course, depends on the speed of your internet. Sometimes when I upload my video, it takes like 4 to 8 hours to upload the video. So, to upload your video, just click this video camcorder icon and click upload video. And from this page, all you need to do is to drag the video that you want to upload or click select files. And now you can edit the title and description of your video and just click next and wait for your video to upload 100%. As you wait for the video to upload and render, you can start optimizing it to ensure that it's seen. There are several ways you can do this. YouTube is essentially a large search engine that provides access to millions of videos. So again, make YouTube as your reference to everything that you do. Now that you know what it takes to get started, what are you waiting for? YouTube is an excellent way to build a brand or grow your channel. You can easily connect with others and build an audience that will follow everything that you do. All you have to do is to get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked my video, and I also hope that you learned something from me. So please do comment down below for any suggestions for my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified on my next video. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye!